In the 19th century, doctors prescribed chocolate to treat coughs, believing its sweet allure held medicinal power. This wasn't a whimsical indulgence but a reflection of how unconventional remedies found their place in early medical practices. At that time, chocolate was thought to soothe the throat, acting as a precursor to modern cough syrups. Imagine being told your medicine was a delicious piece of chocolate. Sounds like a dream, right? Yet, this approach highlights how medicinal practices were as much about experimentation as they were about science. While today we rely on a cocktail of chemicals to calm our coughs, back then, the rich, comforting taste of chocolate was seen as just as potent. This peculiar blend of health and indulgence marks a fascinating chapter in the evolution of medical treatments, where the boundaries between food and medicine were delightfully blurred.